everyone, welcome to math class. Today we're going to have a fun activity, but in order to do that, I need everyone to follow my directions, okay? So listen carefully for what I want you to do. Today's goal is we're going to learn how to subtract positive and negative numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is let's throw out some guesses for these first two problems, okay? This is just to see if you guys kind of know what we're talking about already or if I need to go more in depth, okay? So does anyone have a guess for what negative 12 minus negative 4 is? You can guess anything you want. Diane, negative 8. Does anyone else have any other guesses? Okay, how about the next one? Negative 4 minus negative 12. Lauren?
Positive 8.
Are there any other guesses? No? Okay. So now we're going to start our activity. I'm going to pass some things out, and I don't want to hear any talking because we need to stay on task, okay? So first, you're going to get your game board, and the directions are already written on there. So inside the circle is where you're going to be playing your game, and elsewhere is where you're going to put your extra pieces. Now here's the fun part, is I have Skittles. So I don't want you to open your Skittle bag or eat any of the candies until we're done with the activity. So you need to choose one color to mean positive number and one color to mean negative number. Does everyone understand? Remember, everyone, I said not to open your Skittle bag yet. So can everyone please put their candies away and close their bag? Thank you. Okay. So, I'm going to do an example with you guys, but I don't have any candy, so I'm just going to have to draw it. So here's my board, and a colored in circle means a positive number, and an empty circle means a negative number. So first, I have a word problem. It goes like this. Otis earned $5 babysitting. So there are my $5, my positive dollars. But he owes his friend $7. So when he earns his $5, he's going to give his $5 to his friend Layla that he owes money to. Okay, so normally, if I had 7 positive pieces, I could take them away and see my answer. But I don't have 7 positive pieces. So I'm going to add 2 more, because that's how many I need. But if I do that, I also have to add 2 negative pieces. Because 1 negative piece and 1 positive piece equals 0. So when I add these, am I changing the value of the board? No. Okay. So I'm going to add my 2 negative ones. Now I can take away the 7 and I can pay her $7 back. So what's left on my board when I do that?
-2.
So how many dollars does Otis have?
-2.
Good. So now I have a couple examples. You can either do this in pairs or you can do this by yourself. So here's your first one. Okay, so now you can open your candies. But don't eat them yet.
Okay, we got a minute.
That's technically all I need.
Okay. All right.
You
So,
can keep your candy.
all right.